How do I fix an error message on Xfinity Stream Beta?
Hello everyone, welcome to our troubleshooting guide. In today's video, we're going to walk through the process of how to fix an error message on Xfinity Stream Beta. This is a common issue many users face, but don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way.
What is Xfinity Stream Beta?
Xfinity Stream Beta is a streaming service provided by Comcast, which allows you to access your favorite TV shows, movies, and more directly from your device. However, like any other application, you may encounter some errors that can prevent you from enjoying this service.
Identifying the error message.
The first step in resolving any error message is understanding what it means. Common error messages you might encounter with Xfinity Stream Beta include connection errors, login issues, or streaming quality issues. Each of these problems may require a different approach to resolve, so correctly identifying the error is key.
General troubleshooting.
There are a few general troubleshooting steps you can take that often resolve a wide variety of issues. 1. Restart your device. This can often resolve temporary issues with the application or your device. 2. Check your internet connection. Streaming services require a stable and fast internet connection. Test your connection and restart your router if necessary. 3. Update the app. Make sure you're running the latest version of Xfinity Stream Beta. Updates often include bug fixes that can resolve error messages. 4. Reinstall the app. If all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling the application.
Specific error resolutions.
If general troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, you might need to take steps to resolve specific error messages. For connection errors, check if other devices are able to connect to the internet. If not, the issue may be with your network, not the app. Contact your ISP for assistance. For login issues, make sure you're using the correct login credentials. If you're sure your username and password are correct, try resetting your password. For streaming quality issues, if you're experiencing buffering or low-quality streams, this may be a result of slow internet speeds. Run a speed test and consider upgrading your internet plan if your speeds are consistently low. And that's how you fix an error message on Xfinity Stream Beta. By identifying the error and taking the appropriate troubleshooting steps, you can get back to watching your favorite shows and movies in no time. Remember to stay patient. Technical issues can be frustrating, but with a little persistence, you can usually resolve them. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.